Good morning, friends. This is day 7. Today I just wanted to show you what I make each day for my main juices. So at least a couple of quarts of this recipe. So it's got a lot of celery, and then ginger, lemon, and green apples. And then a whole lot of other greens, so cucumbers. I could not find organic cucumbers, so I have to peel them. Cilantro from our garden, and you can tell it is gone to flower, so using the rest of that up. And then lots and lots of parsley. Great for iron, calcium. Look at that chlorophyll. It's just such a deep, deep green color. That is just liquid sunshine energy. So I'm going to put all of those through my juicer. I have the one I'm going to use as a twin gear Green Star juicer. It works amazing for the greens. I love how it just sucks it right in. It is actually a lot of work though when you put carrots and things through them. You have to cut them up kind of thin, or else you gotta really put some muscle to it. But I really like how it performs with the greens. So as you can see, the liquid just kind of pours in, and the pulp comes out, and there's very little pulp that comes out of this juicer as well, which I really appreciate because produce is not cheap, and when you're doing a fast you have to buy a lot of it. So using a good juicer really saves you money in the grocery store. So here we have all the greens done, and just wanted to show you how much juice it made. That thing is almost full, and look at how little pulp came out. Isn't that amazing? So now I'm going to feed all the rest of it through there, and it will take me probably about 10 minutes. That's the result. That's the pulp. That's all that's left out of all of that produce. And so ideally, you want to juice it and drink it right then. But you know, life happens, and today is Friday. We've got a busy day running around doing errands, so I'm going to make a bunch ahead of time and take some with me in a cold bag. So ideally, if you're not going to juice it right away and you put it in jars, fill it all the way to the very, very top so there's no air, because it does start to oxidate, and a lot of the enzymes and vitamins and stuff will dissipate very quickly. So I fill mine all the way to the top. That one didn't quite fill up, so I'm going to be drinking that right now. So you just put some lids on. The white plastic ones would be better, probably, but these are what I had on hand at the moment. So this will be a couple of juices for today, and I will of course be making a bunch more, but at least I got my greens in, and this is actually very good.